Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today: some mango bassa fillet fish. Remember, Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Please like and share. Remember, mango bassa fillet fish. It's a recipe I got nice, eat delicious. So remember, like and share. Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today. You can see right there, some mango, East Indian mango, sweetie come brush me, bassa, look, bassa, fish, fillet, right? Remember, so I'm going to show you all of my ingredients I'm going to use in my recipe. See vinegar to wash the fish right here, see my spice them here, some pepper, sauce, but normally the rain melt out the pepper them, so I have to use the sauce to see it. So see Maggi season also some more Maggi season here, see pimento seed, thyme, okra, scallion, ginger. We have some purple onion, also some Irish. We have a plantain. We have a thing right here with some broccoli in it, cauliflower, and some carrot. Alright, and see coconut also. See East Indian mango, and see sweet come brush me. And see peas right here, some rounded peas. We have some ginger, garlic, and pimento seed. So remember, Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Like and share. Remember, mango bassa fillet fish. So the recipe I got nice man, eatable, tasteable. Please to like and share. You know, people see there, you can see fish there, so see mango skin there, see cauliflower, see broccoli and carrot. Starting by running some water to the fish, can freeze up, you know. Like to run some water on it, right? To go and tar out, see, tough. You have to go tar it up, to go and tar it out. Run some fresh, clean, pretty water on it, like this. You can see it, yeah? The money recipe already and man. Remember? Coconut water, you see? You want to drain it out, you see? So I'm going to smash up the coconut now. Yes, some people see coconut, they wash pretty, clean and pretty, see something in the heart. Them say when you're a baby and you're a piss bed, this is them for you guys eat. So you don't know, I'm a big man, but I must go eat your heart, you know? Good something for you. You know, people see heart, yeah? Nice, beautiful. The coconut juice and thing there, add some water to it and thing, you see? That's really enough, you know. So we not spoil it, we want to reach and pick up. Let's put pieces there, have a lime, yeah, wash it, bassa fillet in a raw, like this, yeah. So I'm going to cut the fish them smaller, how me want them, right? Like this. Small like this, and small sizes. Knife get dull, what I want from knife? Alright, people fillet then wash, butter fillet wash clean and pretty there. Alright. I'm going to rinse them off again in some vinegar water now. Yes, so we use lime first and vinegar last. Cut the oil on it. Remember, say a fish, you know, fish raw, so you have to wash it good. Yes, my people can see, I have some purple onion, ginger, thyme, garlic, pimento seed. We're going to add it to the fish like this. Alright, my peeps, pepper them boil to the ordering. So we have some pepper sauce right here. Going to add some to the fish like this. Yeah, I know fish can't cook without pepper. We know, you know, yeah. Alright, we're going to add some all-purpose seasoning to it, like this. I have some all-purpose Maggi to it, like this. Alright, my peeps. My peeps see it, so I'm going to massage them. I'm going to spray and season. Around 7 hours, right? But now if you add no salt, because remember I season of salt already. Right? I'm going to show you step by step. Yeah. Alright, my peeps, so I'm going to go make this go and stay at 7 hours. It's soaking a season the right way, so I'm going to tie it up. Alright? Yeah. So the recipe I got nice, man. Eatable. Tasteable. Peas pressure ready to peas. I'm going to throw it in a different pot now, see? Yeah. That's the rice and peas pot. So I'm going to add some scallion and thyme. Remember, pepper them. We're in much of pepper them. So we're going to add the coconut juice to it. Like this. Yeah. And see. I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose to flavor my rice. I'm going to taste it and add the salt to it, right? Remember. Go and cook now. Just cover it down. Go and cook, right? My peeps want to salt. I don't really use enough salt on my pot, no peeps. I don't like salt, you see it? Yes, so I'm put a little like this. Make it taste, because I don't know. That's how we could taste same yeah, flavor. So I got the glacier street, right? Yeah, man, it's a flavor, it's nice. Yeah, peep, that bubble here. See, boil down to the custard, don't want it, and I'm saying, I got the rice to it and things, see them peeps, yeah, man, see there. Yes, my peeps, update the rice, yeah. Yeah, man, so I'm sure now I go on, so I say. So I go bust them cheddar peeps. See there, bust wide open, see it. Alright, my peeps, so eat that now. And cook it more easy. Okay, my peeps, by washing my rice and thing. Yeah. Rice here. Like these. So we're going to remove back the scallion like these now. It's time stick. Because it's the flavor one of the rice. So once the rice is flavorful and nice, you know it got eatable and it got tasteable and it got delicious. So then I make it rice and peas, spice and nice. Alright, my peas, you see. This one cook down now, dry down. Peeps have to stir it up enough for the peas them combine together. You see it? Because the peas are got the one side, so one piece combine on the rice, so I have to stir it up. I don't want it burn. Stir it up. I go and cook with them now. Another update again, peeps, on the rice and peas. You can see, I have to stir in the peas when I want it burn. Can burn rice and peas now go nice, but this rice and the peas name ever nice. Flavorful and tasteable, delicious, eatable, finger licking rice and peas now. Yeah, my peas are good. Alright, my peas now update on the rice and peas. See it? So it want dry down. See it stay? So you know it want some more fire on that now. So I'm going to turn up the stove a little bit. You shut down the water. Can you see it? It want dry out. They cook everything already now. You just want dry out and it good now. See? Rice and peas shred and pretty. And it don't dry out as it. Look. Get more fire now. Make it go and dry now. Coconut trash. See? Seasoning. Water. That's cooking all of these, right? Like this. Scallion, pimento, garlic, and thyme. Some mango skin, flavor the ice. And keep the fish here. Put back out of the bag now. Can you see? Then go and fry it, right? And fry it. Little fry and crisp. Yeah, mango skin them, yeah? Fry out. I have some peas here, some onion, garlic, scallion and ginger. Mango, this will make the gravy get thick up. And so the mango sauce, you know what I say? Yeah man, step by step, then I go melt out, it's going to stay the same, yeah. Some more am I going to see it, so you can build here on here, yeah. Some more am I going to. Alright. I will just mag it to flavor it like this. That's really enough. Add a little vinegar to it. Alright. Also, add some water to it like this, not really enough. Alright. Also, add a little browning to flavor it. Color it. Oh, so I'm so sorry. To color it, get a color. Alright. So my pepper sauce to it here, yeah. Add some ketchup. Alright. Little sugar like this to flavor it. Alright, yeah. Let this go and cook down. The gravy. Recipe I don't like. I'm gonna eat it, taste it. Mango sauce, I got taste it. Right, my piece of see mango sauce, yeah, man. That got nice, man. Taste it. Go and cook down some more, see it. Go and cook more. Mango I melt out. See it, peeps? And mango make the gravy in the moment to melt out. See it? Get the thickness and the flavor. The gravy, see it there? Okra them get soft there. And can't mash up, man, because I don't cut them soft. See it? See? Yeah, man, see mango melt out there. The gravy get rich up and thick up. See it? Fish, man. Well brown and crispy. Yeah, man. Add to my fish to it, right here. And the mango sauce, right here. Add this to it, remember? Yeah, I'm on the broccoli, cauliflower, and the carrot. See, you flip it. When them done start cook already, you know you can't cook them again, so artificial one, see it? Yeah, see the recipe there. Make these go and stay on 2 minutes at the gravy. So remember the mango sauces now. Here my people. You can see fish night and thing there. Yeah. So the recipe I eat over, man. Tastable, delicious. Alright, just eat on 3. Your people see there. You can see fish there, so. See mango skin there. See cauliflower. See broccoli and carrot. You can see it there. Yeah, man, the recipe already and man. Remember, mango basa fillet. So mango sauce, it's a see it, my peeps. Yeah man, mango sauce ready and now. Alright, we have my people see it there. You can see recipe there now. So you know, see a mango. See mango, you know, people that are East Indian this now. I showing you it. It's a East Indian that skin there. So you have okra here, you have fish. See my mango fish going and mango sauce here. We have the broccoli, cauliflower, the carrot. We have plantain. See rice and peas there, not really enough. Remember, mango, basa, fillet, fish. recipe. Mango bassa fillet fish recipe ready now, my peeps. You can see it. Yeah, my peeps. Sun on there. Yeah. So much food you want to eat. Yeah, my peeps, it on recipe ready and eatable, tastable, delicious. Remember for like and share. See fried fish here. You have some of the mango sauce, broccoli, cauliflower, see the rice and peas there. Fried plantain, see the okra, and see the East Indian skin there. Yeah. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. For peeps, see the recipe there. You can see it. Yeah man, remember mango, bassa, fillet fish, rice and peas. You can see everything in that one piece, you see? Taste of the fish now. That's tastable. Eatable. It's like cauliflower. Sorry, broccoli. Plantain. Okra. East Indian skinner. Half of it is now. It's tastable.